Welcome to the Daily Message. Today I want to give thanks for technology and for social media. Yes, you heard me right, technology and social media. I am one of those, and maybe you are too, who considers social media to be pretty much a pain in the neck. I've been in on a number of Zoom calls and Zoom meetings, and I'm pretty much zoomed out. I have gotten into the practice of texting and have been misunderstood probably as often as I've been understood when I text my kids, my grandkids, my siblings, my friends. And so social media can certainly be a hassle. But today I'm grateful for social media because I'm asking myself, what if we didn't have them? What if I couldn't text my family and friends on Thanksgiving? What if we couldn't see each other's faces via a Zoom call? How much more isolating would Thanksgiving have been if we weren't able to communicate so easily and so quickly? And so today I'm expressing my gratitude for the social media. Tomorrow I might curse them again, but today I am grateful. Thank you so much for watching today.